Hello, this is Online Queues, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to change group invite and new members approval settings. First of all, open WhatsApp and go to your WhatsApp group. Tap on your group name at the top and then tap on Invite via Link option. You can see the invitation link for your WhatsApp group. Anyone with WhatsApp can follow this link to join your group. Tap on Share Link to share the invitation link via other messaging apps with your friends, families and colleagues. You can also create a QR code of your WhatsApp group invitation link so that you can print it out and paste it wherever you want. Now go back and tap on Group Settings. Then tap on Approve New Participants option. From here you can toggle this option on. When anyone wants to join this group, admin must approve their request. This is how you can change WhatsApp group invitation settings. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.